If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Bank of America with the ticker symbol BAC. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Bank of America. Looks like we've been selling off harshly since February of this year, right after we made that double top at the $50 psychological whole number. So usually these psychological whole numbers can act as support and resistance. Not all the time, but if you pay attention on the chart, you look at these $40, 45 or 30, you'll see there's some type of reaction around them. I don't really trade that, but it's just cool to see. You can see that we went right near that $50 level, and prices had a hard time pushing through it. We sold off. Now we've been selling off ever since, working down inside of this downtrend channel right here, which I'll show you guys right now. This is the downtrend that prices have been working inside of since February. The trend is still in play. There's no signs of weakness, so we could see lower price targets. We are at support of the channel. You can see that whenever we came back down to this dashed line, it pushed prices up to the resistance side. Sometimes we could trade around here for a while before reversing, and other times we could just bust right through. So we could easily just break this dashed line and not bounce from it like in the past and drop down right around to the $25, $26 level, which is the target for this side of the channel. So we could get a bounce. If we do get a bounce, we're gonna probably bounce back up to the $34, $35 level. But either way, I'm still expecting continuation of this trend. I think they're gonna at least probably come down to filling this huge gap right here. There's a gap on the chart right over here. Let me zoom in for you guys. There's an empty space on the chart right here, and it's right around that $25 level to completely fill it. So they could come back all the way down here, and the target probably could be reached in the next month or two, just based on how strong this downtrend is. You can see that the angle is pretty sharp. The sharper the angle, the quicker we're gonna get to these targets. So we could get here probably in the next couple of months, maybe September. Now, is that going to be the bottom? Maybe, maybe not. There is a measured move that could potentially be reached. You can see this was the first leg down right here. The market made a second leg down, and right at the tip of this arrow we bounced, but it looks like we're still going lower, so most likely it could be a three-wave downtrend, and the target would be right around the $25 level, like I said before, to fill in this gap and probably get a bounce from here. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Bank of America. We could have bounced from that $35 level because it was a previous breakout point that we came back to test, but bulls did not want to defend it, and sellers just came right through and broke the level. We're still continuing to trend lower inside of the downtrend I showed you guys on the daily chart. Same downtrend on the weekly chart. It's just more compact. So we are near support, so we could get a bounce. If we don't get a bounce, we could see a lot more selling quickly back down to this gap that could be filled. Now I think we can enter probably the 2020 price levels, the low 2020 price levels, right on this $18 level. There are some stocks who have already surpassed their 2020 lows, so I think American stocks, or a large majority of these larger American stocks, could be re-entering that 2020 lows or even surpassing it before seeing some type of bottom take place. So just pay attention to that. If we don't bounce from that $25 level, which we think we can reach, probably going to be entering the low 2020 levels. So that's everything I have for Bank of America. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.